Okay. When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
Alright. Bye.
Jane, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay. What time?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The French restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Italian restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place. Hi, Matt.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes. When?
Is 10:30 a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 10:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Okay. Where?
How about Kate's restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 6th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden restaurant. How many?
1.
Right this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable.